Hey everybody, it's Sally from Sally's Stunning Scents with my assistant Lizzie. She wants to look over me doing my video. Anyways, today I wanted to do a review of Scentsy's Mini Warmers. So the Mini Warmers are nice and compact so they don't take up a lot of space. And when you get your Mini Warmer, I love this one, Be Happy, positive inspiration. It will come with this little doohickey. Not sure that's the right name for it, but this is the part that'll plug into your wall. You'll get a bulb, screw into this part, and see how the ridges are here? Ridges here. Oh wait, that's these guys, that and that. So I'm going to line those up, and then I'm going to turn it, okay? So now it's turned. The front of the warmer is facing the front, and the back is the part that will go onto the wall. Now, some people like our Mini Warmers to actually be a tabletop warmer. So then, available separately are these bases, and you will need to figure out if your Mini Warmer is ceramic or made of a different material, because there are bases that are for ceramic, and then whatever the other material is, there's a specific base for that as well. But the same wattage that fits your Mini Warmer will fit the base. And then again, I'm going to line up the gears. And I got my dog. That's my grand dog barking in the background. So then you can put on that and just see how it's standing on the desk here. So that's another way that you can use our Mini Warmers. So you can either plug them straight into the wall, or you can buy a base separately and use them as a tabletop warmer. Some people like to do this option. If they don't like the large warmers, they want a warmer, but they don't want it to take up too much space. This is a great option of how to do a different tabletop warmer. As far as how many cubes of wax, I wouldn't go more than 2 cubes of wax, because this is a smaller dish area than you'll have on the larger warmers, which will typically be 3 or 4 cubes of the wax. So overall, I really like these. I do like to put them in our bathrooms, because, you know, sometimes bathrooms smell, and wall warmer, Mini Warmer helps combat that. I especially like it in our bathroom on the first floor, because when guests are over, that's the one that they'll use, and I want it to smell good. So I always will put new wax in when I know we have people coming over. So, all right, guys. Mini Warmer comes with the option to plug it in the wall, or you can, get it with that and decide to get the base to go with it as well, to use as a tabletop. It's up to you. Great product. Due to it being a Mini Warmer, it is intended for smaller spaces, so I definitely say bathrooms are pretty good for that. You can have one, if you work from home, you can put one at your desk, and you'll be able to smell while you're at your desk. Now, will you be able to smell it throughout the whole room? Probably not, but that's why it's Mini Warmer instead of the regular size warmers. And I'm talking with my hands again. That's me. Lizzie could care less. The nice thing, too, about our warmers is they are warmers, not burners. They warm the wax. Our bulbs are specific to Scentsy warmers, and they get the wax to the temperature that it will melt, so that it dissipates the scent. But the wax never gets too hot that, say, the cat gets her tail in it. Doesn't burn her. It's food-grade wax, so typically they consider that non-toxic for pets. I'm not saying feed wax to your pets. Don't do that. But if your pet got into it, they would probably be okay. My grandkids have put their hands in mini warmers before. No burns. It's really nice. That it's a safe alternative and definitely safer than candles, which definitely can cause fires and chemicals that go into your lungs when they're burning. So, all right, guys, that's the mini warmer. I give it 2 thumbs up. There's not many products from Scentsy that you'll see me giving more than or less than 2 thumbs up because I love Scentsy and I have it all throughout my house. So, all right, have a great day. If you like this video, please like, comment on it, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications button so that you can receive future videos about Sally's Stunning Scents. Thank you. Bye.